at is the definition of rate. So on Monday, when we talked about ratios, that was comparing two quantities. Rate is similar. It is also comparing two quantities, but the difference is that these two quantities don't have to have the same unit of measure. For example, in the example here, we're comparing the number of rooms to the number of days, the number of miles to the number of hours. So we're not comparing people to people or shapes to shapes or banana figures to shark figures. We're comparing two different things that are measured in a different way. And we're familiar with rates. You've seen signs like this, speed limit signs. Speed limits are a rate. This sign tells the person that's driving that they may go 65 mph, 65 miles per hour, which is in essence a rate. They can go 65 miles, that's one quantity, in 1 hour. That's another quantity. Miles is the first unit, hour is the second unit. Two different units, but when we put it together to make a comparison, it's called a rate. Here's another one. If you've ever been shopping and your parents are trying to figure out what the best deal is, they might be using rates. So if we're shopping at Meijer this week, this is on sale, sour cream, if that's your thing, and you can see the sale price is $1.89 and you get 16 ounces of sour cream. So our rate is $1.89. That's one quantity measured in dollars for every 16 ounces. So we pay $1.89 for every 16 ounces. Ounces is our second unit. So going back to these examples, if Nick can clean 42 rooms in 6 days, his rate is 42 rooms per or in 6 days. Cece can drive 225 miles in 3 hours. His rate is 225 miles per 3 hours. So when we read rates, we kind of put the word per here. 42 rooms per 6 days, 225 miles per 3 hours. 65 miles per hour, $1.89 per 16 ounces. I'm going to give you a second to write that stuff down in your notebook and then go on to the next slide.